Hey, what's up guys? Matt here, and today we're going to be looking at how to create an offer, set up a funnel inside of OfferLab. If you guys haven't already heard about OfferLab, I think of it kind of like the new ClickBank. So go check that out. I'll leave links for everything that we're talking about down in the description, probably down in the first comments. Go check that out. You do have to get permission from the actual product owner, so make sure you go into the marketplace, do a quick search for the person's stuff that you want to sell. So you go into search and just search for whoever it is that you're going to look for that you want to sell their stuff. So I was going to sell something from Doug Boughton, which was the content that converts. So go ahead and click on one of those, and then once right here where it says you're approved, really what you need to do is click on the button that says get approved or request access, whatever it says, and then you can start promoting that once they approve it. So I've already gone through that process. So it would say promote this offer, and then you would go through the process of getting access to that. Once you've done that, you go to the sell tab. Again, we're just on marketplace over here. You're going to go to the sell tab, and then you'll have three additional tabs over here: the funnels, the vault, which is stuff that you're creating, and then your orders, which will show you, hey, who's actually bought any of this stuff from me, whether it's mine or somebody else's, right? So now I went into, once you get approved by the system, you're going to have access to everything that particular person owns. So you'll be able to create a whole system. So to create a new funnel or funnel system, you're going to go to new funnel up here in the top corner, and then it's going to give you some options. You've got my offers, other offers, offer libraries, stuff over here. So what you're going to do is you're just going to click on add offer, and you're going to come up with something, right? So with this one, we've got main programs, we've got different things in here. So we got OTO products, order bumps, and we've got the content that converts workshop. I'm just going to click on this. There's a little plus button on there, bam. Technically, I now have a funnel. I could publish this, but if I wanted to add more to it, you can see that we can add an order bump. We can add some special bonus messaging if we wanted to, and then we could add more offers where we add in the OTOs, ads made simple, or the winning webinar workshop. We could add that in or something, right? So now we have offer 2. We could add a second offer, the other OTOs. So we could do ads made simple. So we can go through this process. Up here where it says add an order bump, I can click on that. VIP extras, order bump. So we'll add that in as a bump, and that's how you do it. But the cool thing about OfferLab is that if you have like a whole bunch of other offers by a bunch of different people, technically, you could stack these offers in a way that makes sense with your products, and then actually put them through, like this is all Doug Boughton stuff right here, right? So I created that to go through a pretty specific funnel format there to sell only Doug Boughton stuff. But if I had like 10 different people's stuff that I was selling, and it made sense to go from one of Doug's products to another product from somebody else where they were doing something similar, and it made sense to make that upsell or that bump, then you could totally set that up. It'd be kind of cool. So that's how that works. You can see once you've got everything set up there, that's pretty much it. You could put some bonus messaging in here, but I mean, it's an affiliate offer. Once somebody goes through, they're going to end up, the person that's doing the selling, or the person that actually owns the product and is delivering on it, they're going to have their own order process. They're going to have their own receipt process. They're going to have their own way of delivering all this stuff at the end of it, right? So that's all there is to that. Once you're happy with this and you want to go forth, just hit go, or just click on publish. I'm going to go back to the sell thing here because I already had one of those. If you don't like what you have, you can actually just go in and delete it, which I'll say yes, delete it, because I've got this one here, which was the main one, and this one had all of the other OTOs and everything that I wanted. So once you've got that, you can publish that. Once you've gone through that process, it gives you an affiliate link, so you can just grab that or copy it. Now you can promote that. You can put that link inside of Bitly or any other link shortener program that you use, and then you can start selling other people's stuff. Basically, as quick as I just made that inside of this funnel or inside of this video, I have a funnel that I can promote and start making money that quickly, as long as you have Stripe set up and linked to your OfferLab account. So, but you could do that with so many people's products. Like, you could create an entire affiliate system behind what we just talked about here. So at its very core, it's a very simple system, and I like that. So especially for people that can't pay attention for longer than 5 minutes. So it keeps it simple. You can add that to an email sequence and go about your day. If you did that one time a day and created an email, added that to your sequence, give that 90 days, you could have a 90-day sequence that brings you passive income for quite a while, as long as what you're selling is relevant. So, all right, I'll leave links on how to do that down in the description or in the first comment. Go let me know what your thoughts are. And if you guys want to become part of OfferLab, or if you guys want to get the Content That Converts workshop, I'm going to jump into this program and go through it myself. So come through it with me. I'll leave links down in the description and in the first comment. All right, see you.